Greetings from wherever you are. I understand this is Form 2 class, and the subject that we're discussing today is computer studies. The topic that we're discussing is presentation software. This is just a continuation of our previous lesson. As usual, you are with me, TSL Msisia. In our previous lesson, we were introduced to presentation software. Do you remember the definition of presentation software? Define it. What is presentation software? Good. What are some of the examples of presentation software? Great. I understand in your last answer, you included examples such as PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, today we're going to focus much on PowerPoint presentation. Remember, PowerPoint presentation is one of the examples of presentation software. So now let's go to the learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you must be able to know the following things. Number one, you must be able to choose appropriate layout of a PowerPoint presentation. And number two, you must be able to choose a slide view. And number three, you must be able to add a new slide in a PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, let's get started. Choosing appropriate layout. Once you choose a presentation design, the next step is to choose appropriate layout for each and every slide. The slide layout determines how text and pictures will be arranged on the slides. The normal arrangement is to have the title of each slide on top, then the text and the graphics below. Now let's look at the steps to apply a slide layout. How can you apply a slide layout? Number one, on the Home tab, go on the Home tab. In the Slides group, click Layout icon. After clicking that one, select a layout style from the displayed thumbnails. After clicking Layout icon, you are going to see many displayed thumbnails that you can use for your slide. So you choose the layout among the many thumbnails that are displayed on that page. Choosing a slide view. Once you launch a PowerPoint, the default view displayed is known as, or is what we call, a normal view. There are 6 types of slide view. Number 1, we have got normal view. Number 2, we have got outline view. And number 3, we have got slide sorter view. And number 4, we have got note page. And number 5, we have got reading view. And number 6, we have got slideshow view. Apart from slideshow view, which is located on a ribbon together with view, home, file tabs, animation, etc. The rest types of views are located on your left hand side of screen above the status bar. Now, let's discuss normal view. Normal view is the main editing view where you write and design your presentation. This view has 4 working areas. How many areas? 4 working areas. The first working area is what we call an outline tab. An outline tab is found on the left side of the panel. It shows slide text outline. It is used to reorganize slides and text. It is used to do what? To reorganize slides and text. And number 2, we have got slides tab. This one is found on the left side of the panel. It shows slide thumbnails. The thumbnail makes it easy for you to navigate through your presentation to see the effects of any design changes. So you can also easily rearrange, add, or even delete slides on slide tab. Now let's go to slide pane. Slide pane is the main working area. It is the main working area of a slide. It displays the view of the current slide, where you can add text, okay, insert tab, and even insert images. So this one is the main working area, the slide pane. It is the largest part on your PowerPoint presentation. The largest part, which you see with your own naked eyes, that one is what we call the slide what? Slide pane. Now let's go to notes pane. Notes pane, this is where you type additional information that apply to the current slide that you may refer to when giving a presentation. So it is found down. That's where you find the notes pane. Yeah, look at the image closely. This is a summary of features of a normal view. Okay. Theo, have you seen this one? This is the left pane, and this one is the notes pane. As I said, that it is found downwards. Once you click here, you can add information that you can use when presenting your presentation. And then slide pane, this one, have you seen it? This is the largest area. As I said, that it is the what? Largest area, okay, on your PowerPoint presentation. That's what we call a slide pane. And then the left pane, this one, left pane consists of outline tab as well as slide tab. Outline tab, you mainly see text. You mainly see text here, text. And then on slide tab, what you see is slide thumbnails. So you can easily move the thumbnails. If, for example, if you want to move one slide from number 2 to number 3, you can just click on that thumbnail and move that slide to the position where you want to put it. Good. So this one, this part, this area, we are saying it is a slide pane where you write your text. You can even insert images, okay. You can insert even tables, graphs, and the like. Now let's go to the second view, which is outline view. On PowerPoint ribbon, where there is File, Home, Review, View, etc., click View. Outline view is found to your left-hand side, next to normal what? Next to normal view. Outline view focuses on slide text only in outline form. It has very small thumbnails with readable text. It is good for organizing content. So on outline view, what you see mainly is a slide text only. Thumbnails are displayed in a very small font, okay, that you can't even pay attention to. So you only pay attention to the slide text. That's in outline view. Then let's go to slide sorter view. It is found next to outline view. It is used to reorder, copy, or delete slides, add special effects, and set the timings for electronic slideshows. The note page view. It is found next to slide sorter. Shows one slide with its speaker notes. Useful for preparing printouts for the what? For the presenter. And then reading view. It is found next to notes page. Plays the presentation in a window on your computer without switching to full screen. So it takes up full computer screen. That's the reading view. Slideshow view, the last one. It is found on the list of ribbon, unlike other views. This one is found on the list or ribbon tabs. It is found on the list of should be over here. It is found on the list of ribbon tabs on top of the screen. It has components like from beginning. So on slideshow view, you are going to see components like from beginning, from current, setup show rather, hide slide, rehearse, timings, and even record. So it takes up full computer screen. In this view, you view your presentation the way your audience will view it. So you can always switch to slideshow view to have preview of how each slide would look like to the audience for the purpose of editing or enhancing it. You get it? Now, let's look at types of views in PowerPoint in summary form. Okay? So there's a picture here. You can see these are types of views in PowerPoint. We are saying there are how many views? 6. So number 1 is the normal view. This is how a normal view looks like. So here are slides, and this one is what? Slide pane. Okay? So here, that's where you write your text. Here, that's where you write your information. And then we have got outline view. This one, we are saying that it only focuses on text, as you can see here. These are text. And I said that the thumbnails are small. As you can see, these thumbnails are very small. You see? The font of thumbnails are small. So this one is the outline outline view. Then this one is the slide sorter view, and this one is notes page view, and then this one is the reading view. That this one we say that it takes the full screen. Okay, if you click here, okay, the slides will take, or the presentation will take the full screen. And then we have got slideshow. Yeah. So these are 6 types of views in a PowerPoint presentation. Now, let's look at the ways of adding a new slide. How can you add a new slide in a PowerPoint presentation? So there are how many ways? Good. There are 3 methods or ways of adding slides. These are, number 1, adding new slide. Number 2, duplicating selected slides. And number 3, reusing slides. So let's look at adding a new slide. This means adding a blank slide within a selected layout directory to your presentation. And number 2, have got duplicating selected slides. This means adding a slide by copying an exact slide within the presentation. Duplicate. And then reusing the slides. This means adding a slide by copying from outside presentation file. So let's look at the steps to follow when adding a new slide using each method. So to begin with, we're going to start with the steps to follow when adding a new slide using adding a new slide method. Mind you, adding a new slide method is one of the methods of adding slides to a PowerPoint presentation. So to add a new slide using adding a new slide method, you do the following things. Number one, you open the pen. You open the pen side that contains the outline of the slide tabs. So you open the pen or bracket sites that contains the outline of the slide tabs. And then you click the new slide button. After clicking that one, you click the slide layout that fits the content. And then add what you want your slide to contain. As simple as that. Steps to follow when adding a new slide using duplicating selected slides method. Mind you, duplicating is more or less like copying something exact as it is. So the first step is to click the slides tab in the pen that contains the outline and slides tab. Okay, and then select one or more slides that you want to duplicate. And then in the home tab of the ribbon in the slides group, click the arrow below new slide. And then below the office theme down, click duplicate selected slides. If you click that one, your slides will be added by using duplicating method. Now, let's add slides using reusing slides method. First of all, you have to open the presentation that you want to add the slide to. And number two, you have to click where you want to add slide in the slide thumbnail pane. And then in the home tab of ribbon, in slides group, click the arrow below new slide. Go down and click reuse pen. To your right hand side, outside your work area, click browse or open a PowerPoint file options. Go to the file and click the slide you want to reuse. So this is how we use, this is how we add a slide using reusing slides method. Mind you, adding slides using reusing slides method, we add slides which are not in your presentation that you are working. Okay, so if you click reuse pen, you are going to be taken outside the slide that you are working. You are going to be taken outside the slide you are working. Okay, so let me give you an example. Maybe you have got 3 or 4 slides in your computer and you are working on one slide. And then if you want to reuse the slide, you are going to be directed to other slides in your computer, and you're going to select the slide that you want to add. Unlike the duplicating method, under duplicating method, you duplicate the slides that you are working currently. The very same applies to adding slides using adding new slide method. In that one, you also add slides that are within the slide that you are working. But the difference is that the slide that you add using the add new slide method is that you add a blank slide compared to the rest of the slides that we are discussing. Wow, so this marks the end of my presentation. You have been a very good class. Next lesson, we are going to work with presentation software content. We are going to enter text, we are going to insert objects, as well as we are going to insert tables. Otherwise, thank you for being in this class. Till next time. Bye-bye.